Welcome to Roghnu's suite of reports for analyzing your Sage Intacct project portfolio. In this report pack, we currently have 4 reports, but we will be adding more in the future. As you can see here, this is the project summary report, which gives you an overview of your project portfolio. So you see counts of projects broken out by different dimensions, category, type, department, class, and so forth. And this is cross-filterable. So if I wanted to say, look into the MC operations project type, I could click on this data bar here, and that cross filters the other visuals. And these along the top are actually buttons. So if I wanted to see the 20 completed projects, I can just click this here and that'll filter the visuals down. Additionally, you can drill through from this report to the project details report. Of course, you can just navigate to the project details report and do filtering up here. But another approach is from here. Let's say you want to drill into the details of the projects in the MC operations project type. You can just hover over this as you see me doing here, and drill through shows up here, and I can just go to project details. Or you can right click on the data bar, go to drill through, project details. Okay, so here we're seeing those 10 projects in that project type. And we see here the customer, the project manager, location, start and end dates, and then we have the metrics associated with the projects, hours, amount, cost, so forth. Now to navigate back to the project summary from here, you can just click on the back arrow here and it takes you back. Okay, let's take a look at the project timeline. So here we have a beautiful Gantt chart, and at this aggregated level, what we're looking at is the duration of the projects. However, you can click on the expand all here, and now we're seeing the tasks for each of the projects and their duration and progress. Okay, finally, let's look at the resource allocation report. In the top left, you have actual hours versus estimate hours by project. So for example, here we see the CRM implementation project has actual hours that are currently less than the estimate hours. And for the mobile app platform here, we see that the actual hours are a little above the estimate hours. Okay, in this middle visual here, we have projects by resource. So you can, of course, click on this and that'll cross-filter the other reports. An interesting thing here, so let's say we look at Catherine Chen. Over here in this visual, we're seeing that aggregated, the actual hours are less than the estimate hours. And so basically, if this data point were above this line here, that would mean the actual hours were above the estimate hours. However, if you look down here in the table, we see quite a bit of red, and the red means the actual hours are above the estimate hours. And that's just because this is aggregated overall, whereas this you're seeing at the task level. So what you can do in this visual is you can actually drill down. So if I click this drill down icon, now I'm looking both at the levels of the resource and the project. So we do see here there are some projects where Catherine's actual hours are greater than the estimate hours. And then if I click it again, now we're looking at all 3 levels: resource, project, and tasks. So here we're seeing tasks for certain projects that are where her actual hours are above estimate hours. So this is very useful drill down capability that lets you do some investigation. And then finally, of course, in the table down here, as you can see, you have the resource, the customer and project, and then the tasks associated with each of those, and progress and hours. So that concludes this look at the suite of project reports. We do have many other reports for financial analysis. To find out more, you can go to roghnu.com.
For more information on working with Roghnu and exploring how the data portal can help you get the most out of Sage Intacct alongside your other critical business data, scan the code on the screen or click in the link in the description.